Exciting news, guys. Builderall has got a 14-day free trial. What is Builderall? You may ask. It is 50 different tools in one box, and you can try them all for 14 days for free. It's not just a website builder. If you just watch the little video, you can have chatbots in and everything else. Exit pop-ups, for example. Now, you don't need any technical skills, and it's perfect for all businesses, and it's all in one box, guys. So you don't have to think, what's the login for this one? What's the login for that one? Inside, here are a few tools that you will definitely use. WhatsApp automation, email marketing, webinar, chatbot, booking calendar, video hosting, e-learning if you want to build your own course, and ClickMap. So increase your reach, lower your costs, optimize results, get Builderall today, and you'll get oodles of extra bonuses, including mindset and happiness challenge. See you on the next video, guys. Click the link below.